Attempt number 7. Hello everyone, what is going on? Today you will learn how to use the command line interface of your computer. You know that blacky thing that always gets messed up? So, before getting started, you need to answer a question. That how you go with your computer actually. I mean, after you open your computer, then what do you actually do? You may be opening a folder or opening an application, images, videos, etc. Or let's say you are opening another folder. There's nothing in this folder, so you think I shouldn't be here, I need to go back. Then you press the back button and go to back, and then all work is done. Cancel, shut down, right? So what is CMD? Are we going to do different thing in CMD? No, we are not actually going to do any different thing in CMD rather than GUI. GUI means graphical user interface. What we do in GUI, we are just going to do that in CMD, but in a faster and smarter way. So what are we waiting for? Let's open the CMD, man. Yeah, I'm pretty sure your screen is not matching mine because I just make a little difference. You'll learn that how to make the difference right now, I think, for my personal security. So at first, let's understand the CMD. This stands for command line interface. CMD for command and line interface comes with it. This C, you maybe know what this C stands for. This C stands for that you are right now in C drive. I mean, if I want to go to Blender right now, what I will do? I will go to this folder and then Blender, right? So in CMD, you need to go to a drive, then a folder, and then a application just like that. So we are now right now is C drive. Normally you would be in C users and your username, but right now we are in this drive, no problem. So what can we do? We need to learn to how to change our drive. I mean, we are in C drive, we want to go back to something like F drive or D drive. How to do that? Just type your drive name and colon, not your personal given name. You need to type that name that is given by the computer and press enter, and we are here. This is actually, it works. It doesn't need to be capital or anything else, just the drive name and colon. You are back to there and here and there. You can move all the along. So let's say we want to go to a folder, and let's say I want to go to my YouTube folder. I can go to, as we learned now, to go anywhere we are going to type that name and give colon, right? No, it is not going to work in folder. This colon thing or colon keyword actually works in only drives. If you want to open a folder or go to a folder, you need to use another keyword. Let me explain that a little bit. To go this in folder and going there, going back, this thing is called changing directory. That means I am going and move the place and just shifting the place. That is called changing directory. Can anyone guess the short or keyword for changing directory? The keyword for changing directory is CD, C for changing and D for directory. And then type the name that you are willing to type, or your folder name. Enough. So I am not want to write the full name, folder name, because it is going to take so much time, about 0.6 seconds, but that is a lot of time, and because I'm lazy, so press the tab. It will find the best matches and go there. And this time you don't need any colon, just press enter. Boom. We are in why I'm pointing my finger. We are in F drive, and then we are in, what is this called? Oh yeah, we are in Ahnaf owns this, my YouTube channel's folder. This is how it actually works. Then if I want, I can go to another folder inside it, not outside it. If you want to go outside any folder, we are coming back into that right now. So let's go inside a folder like supportive. I think I have it, yeah, supportive. We are in app drive. App owns this supportive. Now we have done our work here, and then we want to go back to app drive again. What we will do, type f and colon. No, this is not going to work because we are in app drive right now. There is a keyword, we need to change our directory, so type first cd and then give dot dot. This will take us to the previous spot. Enter. So right now or later than we are in supportive, and right now we are in this was the previous step of this. So now I want to go back to app drive, so I want this keyword again, right? I can copy and paste it or type it again, but there is one more faster way, that is press your upper keyword. It will bring all the command you have used in entire thing in the enter video or enter line into flow. It will bring all the, it is kind of a history checking, and you can use that also pressing by enter. That's so easy. So let's come to some more advanced. We want to be more faster, like we know that we have to go to supportive, but how to go to there? By going to Ahnaf owns this and supportive. So we need to press cd Ahnaf owns this, then cd supportive. No, we are going to be faster, so type cd and then Ahnaf tab and then a slash backslash, remember, backslash and then supportive tab, enter. See, we are now 2 steps ahead. So if you want to go more, then more slash, then more slash, then more slash. This is how actually work. And to learn it down, you can just see this pattern like f for f colon and slash and slash. Let's say we are going to be in C drive right now. Now we want to go to app. So what we learn, that to change your drive, you need to go to the drive name and colon. To change your directory, you need to give cd. To go back, you need to press dot dot. But we go 2 steps ahead in changing directory. Why not go 2 steps backward? 2 steps backward, how is it possible? There you can see that we are giving backslash. No matter, now just give front slash and then again dot dot, and I think we are going 2 steps ahead, so backward 2 steps. You can go it as long as you can. Boom. So this is how you actually change your directory. Go forward and then go backward. So this is actually kind of jerky, all these things I'm not liking that. I want to clear it down. So the keyword for clearing your screen is CLS. It will probably work on your computer. Boom. It will not delete anything, you can still use the upper keyword, but this will clear your screen. This is a good habit to clear your screen. Sometimes bad if you just lose your important things, but you can always bring the history here. The history is in your hand.